National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shelby County, northeastern Darke County, northwestern Miami County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Versailles, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Piqua, Versailles, Covington, Newport, Bradford, Webster, Russia, Osgood, North Star, Lockington, Yorkshire, Polo, Bloomer, Darke County Airport, Brock, Eldora Speedway, Willow Dell, Horatio and Houston. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 83 and 87.